I'm Lisa Gorman.
I'm Sarah Ernst Edwards.
And we're with 360 Neuromuscular Therapy. Continuing with our rolling theme, we're going to demonstrate stick rolling for quadricep. Yeah. So for those of you that are mobile and can be on and off the floor, kind of whatever position you find most comfortable. If you want to be kneeling, if you want to do something a little bit more leg out, however is easiest for you to make sure that you're getting the whole of your thigh, basically. You want to just be systematic with it. You know, you're making sure you're getting all the way from the top, all the way down to the bottom, getting the whole thing in lines. So going all the way down, making sure you're getting that line good, then move over, get another line, and stopping on anything that's really tender. Key always with any foam rolling or stick rolling, abs are strong, being safe with your spine.
Yeah, so along those lines, if you have trouble getting up and down from the floor, you can always sit in a chair with the quads. You don't even really need a stool, although you can use one to prop up the leg, or you can just do it seated. And for that, you're just, again, making sure you're doing some nice strips down the quads, making always sure that your abs are strong and supporting the spine. And you want to get a little bit of the inner line on the top, basically just getting that whole round of the quad like Lisa showed us earlier. So hope that helps, and hope you have a good time rolling your quads. And anytime you have any questions, you can ask your therapist here at 360 Neuromuscular Therapy. So thank you.
Happy rolling.